Hello everyone, a very good morning to my seniors and my dear friends. Good evening to Shravan sir. Myself Madhu Gundagani, pursuing first year food technology. I'm honored to be as a host for this marvelous session. I'm very glad to host this talk because our guest speakers are none other than our people, brand ambassadors of our talk. Now let us start our program with the invocation and gratitude story. Now I would like Divya to tell invocation. Over to you, Divya.
Thank you, Madhu. Good morning to all and good evening, Shravan sir. Powerful we are, compassionate we are, genius we are, adventurous we are, disruptive we are, distinctive we are, beautiful we are, revolutionaries we are, empathetic we are, courageous we are, grateful we are, attentive we are, learners we are, incitement we are, rebellious we are, heartful we are, inspiring we are, leaders we are, jealous we are, champion we are, yes, powerful we are. Thank you, Madhu.
Thank you, Divya. Now let us hear a gratitude story from Nivedita. Over to you, Nivedita.
Yeah, thank you, Madhu. Last Wednesday, while we completed our Top Talk with Top Gratitude team, I have received a card from Shivani Akka. Not only me, but all from all received gratitude cards from Shivani Akka. I really felt happy, and it is not like only the. We are also the speakers of that top talk, but within our team, like Shivaka made gratitude cards and have sent for all of us. Then again I realized, and I too made cards. Along with me there are few other people in our within our top gratitude team who made cards. So here I would like to say, uh, gratitude is very powerful, and it gives a lot of happiness to one another. Thank you.
Thank you, Nivedita. Before defining an obsession, let me define what a top obsession is. An idea that ignites a young mind, makes them wake up every morning with a vision of doing make a difference. Our top speakers are the change makers, torch bearers of their own ideas. Just imagine a 18, 19-year-old being obsessed with something that can change the fate of the world. They are just not only obsessed with their own ideas, they are obsessed with creating something new. They are obsessed with ideating and brainstorming. They are obsessed with designing a happy future. They are obsessed with the time and opportunities it creates. They made every obstacle a stain to build the castle of success. These are our happiness creators who are making our everyday special. We are lucky to have such great young personalities. They are sharing many things to us and inspiring in every call. Let me take the pleasure to introduce our top obsessionists. The Mondays are boring without getting stimulated by our Suryana simulation talks, and the day is complete only after witnessing the joy of our top universities by our Danushanna. Tuesdays, wait for visiting our Nivi's site of obsession, her sweet voice in our universal USAP talks. Hook. Can we imagine a Thursday without listening to our Shivani Akka and her every gratitude special hour? Many palpable discussions take place on Friday in our top money talks, hosted powerfully by our Chandan Anna. And the sensational Saturday, which everyone looks forward to for those happy 1,000 crore meetings by our leader Vinay Anna. Thank you for making every day special. I'm excited to listen to you all. Before starting our session, let me call Shivani Akka and Nivedita for a few seconds. They have something to present. Over to you, Akka.
Yeah. Oh, obsessions.
Obsessions are the obsessions.
The obsessions are dil sessions.
Dil sessions are world sessions.
World sessions are our obsessions.
World sessions are our obsessions. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
Now let us start our session with Suryana. Go on, over to you, Suryana.
Thank you, Madhu. I'll be sharing my screen. So welcome to the TOP simulation cluster. Join us every Monday at 6 p.m. for a stimulative experience. So this is what we have been working on. Simulation is a very powerful tool. It has been used for the design of aircrafts to the design of crystal growth. For example, if you look at the picture on the top left, that is the weather mapping, which is that is predicting the weather using mathematical modeling. And then you have the design of aircraft. Then we have simulation of crystal growth. That is how a crystal grows from the nucleation spots. Then we have our process simulation. The application of simulation are vast, and in this group we would like to explore each and all the possible applications and become experts in them. Now, this is something which we have been working on for the last 3 months, DWSIM. So we have been solving thermodynamics problems, both manually as well as using simulation. And we are looking to we're compiling them into a book. So far, we have solved problems on steady state fluid flow devices such as compressors, expanders, power cycles, refrigeration cycles, liquefaction cycles, flash calculations, and chemical reaction equilibrium. Now, with this activity, we are gaining a very good understanding of the concepts. We are beginning to question each and every equation, the reason the equation came up. And also, using simulation, a parametric study is possible. That is, you can vary a parameter and learn how it is affecting the output of the process. And this also gives us an understanding of how a commercial software works. This knowledge is very important when we would like to create our own software or make changes using coding. For example, DWSIM allows us to integrate Python to it, and using Python we have a lot more flexibility. We can create our own unit operations. And the most important thing is we are working together as a team, having many brainstorming sessions as well as fruitful discussions. This is the problem status sheet, which shows the problems we have worked on so far, and more problems are going to be solved in the near future. So there has been active participation from almost everyone in the group, and you can see in the remarks, we have been comparing the DWSIM calculations with the manual calculations. And if there is any error, we are trying to find out the reason for that error. Might be an approximation, might be an error due to our calculation. And finding the reason is also very important. And this is one of the sample documentation for our upcoming book on thermodynamics. So in the bold, you can see the problem statement, then followed by the manual calculation. And then we have the simulation approach. And soon we will be publishing this book on thermodynamics. And then we will be solving industrial problems given by Crest Technologies, to whom we are very grateful for their support. Prakash sir and Sairam sir have been continuously supporting us and assisting us in learning chemical engineering from an industrial perspective, and building chemical process flow sheets in DWSIM for the DWSIM repository, which is managed by IIT Bombay. And we would also like to write several books on other chemical engineering subjects using DWSIM. Then computational fluid dynamics and working on SimVascular is also something we are considering for the future. SimVascular is a very interesting software because it allows us to design heart surgeries. So blood is a non-Newtonian fluid, and working on the fluid dynamics of a non-Newtonian fluid is something which we don't really come across during our BTech. And that would be something very fun to take up. And thank you very much.
Wow, Annaya. Because of you, I found chemical engineering interesting.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Shivana.
Annaya.
Yeah. Thank you, Surya Anna. Such a wonderful presentation. Yeah. Now let's listen to Nivi's obsession. Over to you, Nivi.
Thank you, Madhu. Now I will present screen. So this is my obsession, USCP talks. Every Tuesday around 7:20 to 8, we will be uh, having this session, and I will take the lead to host this session. Uh, and next is my obsession, which is related to expression. At the start of our when I have started my journey with Top ESL, I came across this word like "don't impress but express" from Sri Vidya ma'am. From then, I'm following that, and also along with that. I always wanted to express, but that is not like a fear, but like I felt like, I have experienced some things where people didn't give respect to my thoughts. So I felt like being quiet most of the times matters. So that's the reason I was not able to express at the start of my top journey. Later on, with blogs, before blogs, when I have joined 100 crore, I expressed a lot there. And from then, we got this idea of writing blogs. And now, like, blogs are my, it is like one kind of obsession only. Because, I used to spend more hours on it. I only want. I only want to excel in writings. I love writing more. So I want to try different ways, unique ways of writing, and by with practice, we will be having some growth every day. So like that way, from first to my 50th blog, there are lot many changes happened. Um I came to know about how we have to write, and also some unique ways of writing. I didn't. That is my own way of writing. Uh, like that is myself, and also not only that, I have increased. Through blogs, I gained lot of confidence to express myself more. And also with obsessions, I have learned how to express about myself. I only want people to consider that we are worth enough. And I want to see people who should always be proud about themselves. So that's the reason I have started this obsession, and with the support of Shravan sir and Top family, I'm expressing more daily. And also regarding Nivi's site of obsession, it's all about activities, and it's all about knowing our self worth, and being strong in hard times, and also respecting each other opinions, not judging, and also always being kind. And my tagline is always be proud of yourself. And next is growth obsession. At the start of my journey, I was not that comfortable with myself, but now I came out of my comfort zone. And along with that, I realized that uh, being ourselves matters all the time, and we can see the real growth only when we are us. So I have seen a lot of growth in being myself and living in that moment. I through gratitude I live in the moment, and also through obsession I live in that moment, because I enjoy each and every moment. And also I will be very excited to talk with all of you in my obsession calls, and also in making cards. That makes me happy. uh, Next is gratitude obsession. I mean, we all know that this book is also about, I mean, being grateful to our loved ones. Like, don't know why, but both are my, like, I mean, both are my obsessions only, book and gratitude, and also appreciating others. I mean, I don't know why, but I'm really good at appreciating rather than receiving an appreciation. So I believe that appreciating others takes away nothing, but gives you an appreciable bonding. Next, team bond. And here, team is valued when we value each other to become superstars. So that is what we do here. We value each other, and also we give respect to each other bonds. So that's the reason we have a very strong team bond. And with team and with good people around us, we can always be happy. Support. My parents, like, they have been a huge support for me. They have encouraged me in everything I have done till now. So I should always be grateful to my parents. Next, Shravan sir, who believed in me, and who believed that I can also be a right person for this book. And also, I would also like to thank Supraja, Vivikta, and Hafsa. Supraja, she has been my supporter from the start of our book journey. Supraja and I always felt like we should not give up. We should always enjoy this journey, and uh, we should create our own opportunities, and we should never lose an opportunity. So we believed in that, and I'm really happy we both are together till now. And Vivikta and Hafsa, you both are really amazing. The way you encourage us, I mean, we all are together. I always feel that way. I mean, the main thing is understanding is important. We all understand each other. I mean, I really love the way you people understand our uh, our work regarding our background work which we all are doing. So thank you so much. I think we all are placed together, like universe conspires. So we all conspired now, and Top family. I should thank each and everyone who always respond to my messages in groups, and who always feel like I'm adding value to them. So thank you for understanding me. I mean, understanding is really huge, because not many can do it. If you are doing, then you are you are just amazing. So thank you for that. And this is our next start of our journey, like manuscript submission to PM Modi, unsung heroes. Like, yeah, I don't know, I don't have any words. We have given our best. So at last, let's not hope for the best, let's be the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Neil. Thank you, Neil, for the wonderful presentation. Every time your USCP book stories connects to our hearts, each time you inspire us with your wonderful messages. Thank you for everything. Any comments?
Yeah, greatly, like, nicely presented. Hashtag self-love. Wonderful living.
Now let's listen to our beloved Shivani Akka's Top Gratitude Hour. Over to you, Shivani Akka.
Let me start uh, with our culture, our Indian culture, our uh, this thing. So,
Shivani, hello, happy people.
ఆగండి అన్న. Okay. యద్రచ్చ లాభ సంతుష్టో ద్వంద్వవితో విమత్సరః సమసిద్ధౌ వ సిద్ధౌ చ కృత్వాపి న నిబధ్యతే. He who is satisfied with gain which comes of itself, who is free from duality and do not envy, who is steady in both success and failure, is never entangled, although performing actions. So this says that whatever is coming to you, you should have some level of contentment, and with contentment comes gratitude. If you are not, if you are not contented, how can you be grateful? So, like, this says that you should be happy with what you have, and like from that gratitude starts. So stop complaining and just be grateful. uh, so नमस्कार सभी को, मैं हूँ आपकी शिवानी, आ गई हूँ आपके सामने तो ग्रैटिट्यूड के बारे में बोलने के लिए. So thank you all for coming here. Apurva, can you go to the next slide? My journey of gratitude. It is a beautiful journey which I cherish throughout my life. Where it started with Shravan sir. Like, the things were there, everything was there around me, but I started seeing its beauty. I started being grateful because of Shravan sir. How it happened is, Shravan sir used to share with us his story of appreciations, his story of gratitude. One of the stories where he used he used appreciation for Sunita ma'am's cooking. It made her a best cook now. So he told how appreciation helps, and how he used it in his office place, and everywhere around him. So then I started seeing, like, okay, this is gratitude. Then uh, then I started writing cards to everyone who did something for me. Okay, who did something for me? Only one who did something for me, I used to write gratitude cards. Uh, then I started realizing some changes happening within me. Like, I started seeing that, okay, this thing exists. Okay, like, I have a pen and it exists. I should be grateful for. I have phone, it exists, and I should be grateful for that. So everything, I started noticing everything around me, and things which, like, my thought was transforming, my mindset was uh, like starting to, it was in budding stage. So I started looking beauty. I stopped complaining. Idi ledu, adi ledu, I don't have this. I stopped it. Like, I started seeing my blessings, what I have. I have my parents, my friends, my mentor, my juniors, my seniors, everything. And then I started, like as the days started increasing, or yeah, I was happy for others' happiness. Like, when others were happy, I started being happy, and it was a huge change. And you will notice that, like, when you are in school or anywhere, you use it to be happy only when you use it to be successful or something like that. I don't know about your thing, but I was so selfish that naake first rank vaste I should be happy and all. So now my thought was changing, that if other person is happy, I am becoming happy. My smile is increasing. I became empathetic. I started seeing now, like, if I were in that place, what would I have done? Then I stopped judging others. Will itlane enduku chesindu itlane, like that. Then this started my caring perspective of, like, I should care for others, I should be there for others. Like Shravan sir, for all of us, he started saying, I am here for you. That simple word make a big difference in our lives, right? So I also started being there for others, started caring for others. Then what happened is the task which I have to do in 1 hour, the time was reduced. I started doing it in half an hour because I was living in that moment. I was seeing that I have to be grateful for this, and that's it. Then it evolved. This my gratitude journey evolved into another chapter of Attitude of Gratitude book, which where Asha and Hashim came into my journey. So it was a beautiful moment when we presented this book to our Shavansa's birthday. Uh, it was another this thing, and here I should be grateful for Vinayanna for making me up to the journey. Like there were few things where I was not able to complete this, but then Vinayanna entered and gave me some stuff, and then yeah, Attitude of Gratitude came. Then this journey, it was a feeling for me. It was nothing for me. Then it became my feeling. Like I felt it. It became good. It became great. It became magic. It became my habit, and now my obsession. So this year on March 16, 2021, I gave my top talk on gratitude. And today, 1st August 2021, it became my obsession. Abura, can you go to the next slide? Yeah. We all need importance. We all, there may be like exceptions if you are so selfless. Your starting journey might be importance giver, but my one was importance seeker. I used to seek so much of importance. Like I wanted importance. I wanted that everyone should feel that I am important. Uh, so I was like that. Like I was so greedy of getting others this thing. How gratitude made magic, I don't know. This made me to like transform my journey to importance giver. I started like I said that I should give importance. Like I should like I started being empathetic. So by being empathetic, I started giving importance to others. Okay, you are there, and I started appreciating them, and it evolved into connecting hearts, connecting others' hearts. It is such a beautiful thing. You don't know that you are one appreciation may help them uh, like do like they it might pump up their energy. It might give them the wings to fly. So every time you get a chance to appreciate others, please do it. Just one word, that's it. So this was thing, and uh, Apurva, next slide. Yeah, so she wrote Silent Springs, and this is one of the quotes which I stuck in it. One way to open your eyes is to ask yourself, what if I had never seen this before? What if I know it, I would never see it again. If you do not understand, please read it again. So if you want to open your eyes, open your eyes in the sense to open your everything, you should ask yourself that if I had if what if I had never seen this before? What if I knew I would never see it again? Okay, so if you are in this top talk, if you say to yourself that I have never seen this top talk before, and if you say I will never see it again, so I should be here, I should be present, I should present here, I should see the beauty in it, I should appreciate it, I should be grateful. So this. Oh, Apurva, next slide. What gratitude gave me? Gratitude gave me myself. Yeah. I don't know, like, if gratitude was not there, I would have not expressed this well. I would have not talked this uh, beautifully. If gratitude was not there, I would have not appreciated myself. I would have not seen the beauty around me. So if you see beauty around you, if you evolve around you yourself, like if you see everything as a magic around you, you will evolve within yourself. Your personal changes happen, like your internal thing will change. So this gave me myself, and yeah, like I was myself, but I knew I was there. Gratitude told me that you exist. So team. Second thing is team. It gave me a beautiful team who always encourages others, who always sees beauty in others, who never ever fail to uh, inspire others. If you see the beauty in it, like if you you have to compare now. So if you compare our team with others' team, you will know that. Uh, like there are people in my class, in my like friend circle, who says that forming a team and doing something is very harder. Who said that? See our team, how like within 1 second, like within few minutes, if we say that there is something which has to be done, immediately everyone just comes into that. So this is what gratitude gave me. uh, Gratitude also gave me a beautiful world. Like it was there, everything was there, but I saw the beauty in it when gratitude came into my life. It gave me friends. So happy Friendship Day, everyone. uh, it gave me friends who filled the meaning of friendship, who actually uh, meant it, like felt it, and shared it, cared it, care it. Okay, like it is present tense. So it gave me friends and a good heart, who always uh, who is kind, who sees the beauty, who is empathetic. So this is what gratitude gave me. And yeah, I want to read one thing here. Uh, I never knew. I never knew that the world is so beautiful. I never knew that a little smile can help others smile. I never knew that my appreciation would help others know who they are. I never knew this magic. I haven't experienced it before. I knew it. Uh, I knew what being humble, being creative, being talented, being crazy means. But I never knew how being grateful is. It is such a beautiful thing. In the start of my journey, thank you was just an interjection in parts of speech. Now it is in my heart. Like Apurva, next slide. Yeah. So everyone knows it. Gratitude is a magic. It does magic. You don't know, like until you feel it, until you see, like until others tell you, you don't know how you made magic in their lives. So if someone made magic in your life, just go and tell them. Just go and appreciate them. It is like within one year, it just made me mad. It is such a beautiful thing, and when you experience it, you will know it. So for me, gratitude is a magic, uh, and yeah, which turns ignorance into knowledge, which turns unhappiness into happiness, which turns nothing into everything. Uh, so like it also helps you, like if we talk about law of attraction, gratitude also helps you to manifest like fastly. Okay, if you want to manifest something, manifest nothing but like if you want to attract something into your life, law of attraction helps. You all know that our thoughts, our our thoughts becomes things. So whenever you think of something, you will attract that into you, like from the universe. So gratitude helps you to make it quicker, like to make it faster. If you want something, you just put it, like put thought on it, and when you are grateful, you will attract faster. So from my obsessions, I started like my expressions became so like good, and I uh, it gave me a platform where I can just spread this gratitude. So thank you very much, Apurva. Next slide. Thank you very much for listening to me. So at last, I want to just like as it is my obsession. Uh, can you please take your pen and paper and start writing the things which you are grateful for today? I will do it in 2 minutes. Let me know when you are done so that I will say thank you at the end. Yeah, till then I will, yeah, I forgot it. I will play music till you write.
You've been wallowing in filth all worship you for what you've done, our giving, and a song of praise. We've come to you, gathered in this place, for the things you've done and for who you are. We worship you with a thankful heart. So we lift up our praise, and we lift up, offer our lives in gratitude.
Thank you, everyone. Yeah, I'm done now. Apurva, you can stop.
Super Shivani. So lovely.
Yes, Akka.
Such a wonderful presentation. Every time you create magic with creativity.
Thank you, Madhu, for giving us such a nice introduction for us, all of us. First of all, loved it. And next, I also loved the way Divya said the invocation and continuing the session. Just bliss in being a part of listening to you all. Our Suryan extraordinary presentation and Nive's heartful presentation, and going on with Shivani Akkas. That's fantastic. Need to learn a lot how to express like you. Thank you for making me happy for for few moments. Actually, I have very less to say. Thank you. First of all, I say thanks. I thank to Sean sir especially for giving me an opportunity, being a part of Obsession, and also always thankful and grateful to him because he believed in me, and to be a part of Obsession, a moderator or a head. Thank you for that. Yeah, I also thank everyone of my who is being a part of my obsession, because of their care, because of their support, because of their encouragement, appreciation daily. That adds a lot of energy to me to express myself. And not only that, they are showing a great good behavior towards me. I feeling so comfortable in being a part of my obsession. Yeah, my obsession made me to learn a lot things I couldn't express as enough. But yeah, but one thing I can also say, by the way, I'll be learning a lot from Nivi's obsession, Shivani Akka obsession, and Suryanna's obsession, Vinyanna obsession, and Dhanush, and a lot more. I just loved how the messages. I just inspired the way they write the messages. I see the beauty in them. Those all gives me the bliss moment and make me inspire how to grow my obsession. Because of them, I can also handle. Uh, Thank you for that. And the first thing that I love to be my part of obsession is it given me a big chance to express myself very freely and very comfortably. I love to be expressed there. That's it. That is one of the greatest chance that I got in being part of my obsession. Thank you. That's it. And yeah, first of all, if I am doing some work or something else, this all because of my team, because my team is really caring about me, because they didn't criticize me anything, so I am able to express freely as much as I think I can. That was a great adding moment for me. Thank you for that. And yeah, I can next.
Wow.
As usually, yeah, very learning moments day by day. It's increasing. Uh, it's a bliss for me. I only repeating my words. I can't.
Yes, yes, Chandan. We can sense your bliss.
Yes, yes, Chandan. We really
Thank
liked
you.
We really like your
how you organized
write-ups.
your.
Who is
Uh,
coming?
Triveni, go ahead.
Yes,
Shivani,
yes.
you go ahead. You know, Chandan, we really liked how you organized that talk with Avinash sir. I do not remember whether he's Avinash or yeah, Avinash sir. And you know, you put a small story and attach your words to it. I mean, we really loved the way you do it. Thank you very much, Chandan.
yeah, we can clearly see here itself how appreciation gives me a lot of energy to express myself more. Thank you for that, Akka. This is what makes me.
Yes, Chandan. You are a very fast learner, and all through these years, I can only see like you as an example of a best learner. Yeah, you have been learning a lot, and have been like improving yourself, and going into next levels each and every day. And also, I love that part in your message, like you call with a new name every day, right? Hello Topis. Hello
Yeah.
Obsession, something like that.
Yes, and as you said, he's a
We love
consistent
that.
learner.
Yes, that is true.
And as Teju says, you are Chandan Mani Sani.
Uh-huh.
Come on, Akka.
Chandan Mani Sani,
Mani
not Mani
Sani.
Sani.
Wow.
Yeah, it's always
And
adding a
also
feeling.
like I also admire the way you attach money with courage, like all the terms courage, time, uh, confidence, and many more. So this shows how obsessed you are. Like you are seeing money in everything.
Yes,
Wonderful.
and also the best part is people attach negativity with money, and also they won't even talk confidently about money. If we talk about money, uh, they might think us wrong in some way or something like that, and you just cleared all of those. Like I just told to Shravan sir when the Top Money Talks has started, sir, I just don't feel comfortable talking about money, and also and also about the word rich. Okay, becoming rich, because in my mind it is framed like that, like rich are not very good, something like that. And Sar just said one thing. See how you attached the word with that negativity. It's just your past experience or what you faced, but it's not the real truth. Rich is a word that represents who has money. That is it. You bought in that positivity and positive aspect towards the money, and you're making us more and more comfortable thinking about money. Thank you.
True, Annaya. Totally agree.
You are attaching the values, the like beautiful terms that if you have this, you will get money already, like obviously. So it is like money, you have money if you have this. So we are learning the qualities, the whatever you are mentioning, like appreciate, like using the time, being patient, having confidence, having courage, all these. So wonderful, Jannan.
Also, this sentence from Shivani struck me, like our thoughts becomes our things. So that is what happening with all our obsessions. Like one person is getting obsessed about one thought and has been putting that thought in everyone, has been the driving force to put those thoughts. And when we all have those thoughts, they'll definitely come into reality. That is what happening. They become our own things. Wow. I like that sentence, Shivani. Seriously,
Can
go
I?
ahead.
Yeah, thank you, Anna. Hello, Mr. Chandan Manisani. We are so happy to see your blissful face today. Basically, everything, there will be two ways to do something like, be happy. Two ways to be happy. One thing, we do all hard work, do very good things, helping others and making something successful things, and then happy. And present moment, enjoying in happy. So at the end, one goal is to be happy all the time, and you are already doing it. And what not, you can do anything. Everything is this moment is enough to try to people will be happy by getting all those things, and that is one route to be happy at the end. But you are on the process every day, you are enjoying, and that is we want your blissful face and happy face. So now, so happy.
Join us in our journey.
When asked how are you going to do today's top talk, he said, "I will use my heart, aga."
He just nailed that using it.
Maybe? Maybe?
Yes. Firstly, I really love the way you take positivity from everything, Anna. I got inspired from then. And next is like the way you put messages in WhatsApp. Like you take a lot of time. You put your energy and heart into it. I really like it a lot. And there are like I really love the way you write very uniquely. So thank you for inspiring us daily, Anna. And also your mission and vision statements. Wow, that that is really amazing. And one more thing I should mention here, like you read our stories, UACP stories, in every money talks. Thank you for adding value to our book with your with, with the way you read our stories in every Talk Money talks. Thank you so much for supporting us.
Go ahead, Dhanush.
Chandan is becoming emotional.
Kada? Happy birthday, Chandan.
like Venkatesh in Raja movie.
ధనుష్ వచ్చాడు. Yeah.
Am I audible? Am I clearly audible? Everyone?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Clearly audible.
Yeah. The only thing Vinyanna, Renaka, and Shivanaka told me was about speaking on children. But even I want to everything he makes with a smile, and he always inspires me. Just shall we go ahead and tell me anything to do? Because he never gives up and never give up is the best quality, and he relates as well as everyone said. He relates everything because every quality or every important things which are essential in life, gratitude or the gratitude and learning mindset and many more things, and that makes a person to grow very in a beautiful and in an extraordinary way. And thereby he also expressed that money will be the being a byproduct, and which is not about making money or being a part of money. It is about the mindset, and that's really everything. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Uh, First of all, thank you all. Yeah, what you said is absolutely true. Yeah, thank you. Uh, uh, yeah, thank you. Uh, but only thing is, I believe that, but it is happening. My reaching my goals. I'm thinking that my goals should be still more further. My vision statement should be it's very less now. Uh, I could believe that they can be achieved very very soonly. That's it. Yeah, thank you all. For heartfully giving compliments to me. That is one.
Thank you, Chandan. You are
Over to you,
always
Madhu.
smart. We always love you.
Nivedita playing with backgrounds.
Yeah. Now
Yeah.
let's listen to our motivator, our inspiration, our legendary leader, Vinayan. Over to you, Vinayan.
Okay, removing all those adjectives before. Okay, I am Vinay. So I do run Saturday calls, Saturday 1,000 crore calls at 6 to 7 p.m. It used to be, and also now it's from 7 to 8 p.m. And okay, I didn't prepare any presentation, but I'll just tell the origin of our group, and also the golden circle, why, what, and how it is all happening. And also, I want to share a few things. So, firstly, going into the origin, like I always had this thought, like to set up a company, to become an entrepreneur. That is that is there in me, like from long back. And also, like, do you know when it came out? As Nivi mentioned, just impress, just express, and don't try to impress. So that quote from Srividya Madam made me express that thought to the outside people, anamata. So in that first talk when Shravan sir has given us in 2017, so that is when I told, like, I want to become an entrepreneur. And it's been happening that way. Like I'm learning, like, all the necessary skills that is needed for the leadership. And also, like, after we decided to join Crest, and we started remotely working for Crest, Shravan sir called me one day and told, uh, Vinay, you should run a call every Saturday, such that you're meeting all our teammates, and getting energy from them and giving energy to them. అన్నట్టుగా చెప్పారు. And then it happened in such a way that, like, we have created a Tejasvi, you're crazy on names today. Yeah. And it happened in such a way that, like, we wanted to create a 1,000 crore company from Crest. And then the group formed, and then Geeta madam came in, and everyone, like, the response is awesome from our team. uh, I just shocked to to even pursue that everyone is going to join our journey. Because bigger dreams, I was in a thought that bigger dreams makes the people run away. Okay. And it doesn't happen with our group. The next moment, group has been formed, and also I thanked everyone. And then I don't know anything. I just want I was just told to run a call on Saturdays. Okay. With what all we are doing, and also frame a way for creating that 1,000 crore company. So what we know to create the 1,000 crore company, just a figure, that's it. We don't know what to create, what not to create. It's just been forming and evolving organically from the day one. So firstly, why we should do that? For this, I'll just go back to what Shivani once told me when we were discussing about the dreams. Anna, with all the value system that we are building, we will have to prove the world that though we are following these values, we are not less in making money. We are not less in creating companies. I just want to prove the world that we can survive. We can be also successful by following these values. That really those words are left with me. And also after forming our 100 crore by the age of 30, our mind just got opened up, right? Like we started believing that it's going to happen by the age of 30. We don't know how, but still our consistent efforts and our learning and gratitude mindset will definitely get us there. And creating the 1,000 crore company is not at all a big thing. When if we compare, like just frame it in this way, like 20 members forming each one 100 crores by the age of 30. So it's a lot bigger one, right? So see the goal, see how it is all happening. And then the 1,000 crore company, like where it just framed in such a way that where we all come one day for one day weekly, come here and discuss, ideate, brainstorm, and then frame out a way to create that company. And from the first day, it has been happening in such a way that everyone is adding energy to that goal. They are all treating it as their own goal, and are supporting our teammates to think of it. Like some might have very good thoughts on how to very good thoughts and also clarity on how to create it. Some might not, but they are just facilitating them on how to think it. So regarding the why, we have to create. The one is we have to prove to the world that the value system we are in is going to make us successful. Is going to if that value system has the potential to create a 1,000 crore company. Look at the power. If everyone is following that value system, that will create huge things, right? And this is how dents can be made in the world. I like that word, creating a dent in the world with our disruptive attitude. So that is what happening. And I believe everyone in our team is capable of creating their own 1,000 crore company. So if everyone is capable of creating their own 1,000 crore company, creating one and setting it as an example is not at all a big thing, right? So yes, this is why we have to create that 1,000 crore company. And also, like if we could just harness the power of network, one Mahi sir, one Meena madam, one A.N. Rao sir is enough. And we have the best part is we have all of them in our group. We have all of their energy, we have all of their network, and we have all of their enthusiasm, we have all of their time to create that 1,000 crore company and also make that goal happen. So see, the why is clear. We have to create it. We don't know how, but the how is also being framed. And what are we going to do for that? We come every week. We ideate, we discuss, and then we are just freeing our minds to think in 1,000 crores perspective. If we just could build that mindset to think about creating that company and getting comfortable with the process, it just happens in that way. And how are we going to do that? The first how is our value system. That those are our differentiators. The value system we have is incredible. Also the energy that all our teammates has. As I told, everyone is capable of creating their own thing. Like if we all uh, any company, it might be any company, if it has one of us, it would go into definitely next levels. And if we all are in a single company, are just thinking about making a conglomerate single company, can't it be possible? It will be. And this is how we are going to create it, like by following the gratitude mindset and the learning mindset. So I think I covered why, what, and how. And yes, now the supporters like Prakash sir and Shravan sir. So when Shravan sir first told me about this, I was just like surprised. Will I be going to do it alone? How will it be possible? All those things. And as I got comfortable about thinking in those terms, it just got happened. And before every 1,000 crore call, like I and Shravan sir will have a call on how to run it. What can we do in the team? How can we build that mindset? And Shravan sir, with his presence of mind, like gives a clear idea on which video to be presented at what time. So I have to give that credit to Shravan sir. And if the calls are so boosting, the main reason is Shravan sir. And then Prakash sir, like listening to an idea, perceiving it, and also making it their own thing is really hard. Like say until it comes from our own thing, it's really hard to believe in others' idea. But it just got happened in such a way that Prakash sir like started thinking about it from soon after the first day. Like sir listened about it, and also like sir has been my driving force to think of ideas, to set up a process on how to think, to set up a process on how to create that. And also like with his entrepreneurial knowledge, sir has been helping like to create that business strategies. And also sir correctly knows what will work, what not will work. That too, believing in ourselves. Like someone could have easily told that just someone told this, many questions will come up if we start this group. We'll have to prepare ourselves mentally to make this happen. If we are just lost in those questions and keep on answering those questions, we'll waste our time and we'll go nowhere. But if we get obsessed about this goal and have been like adding that small things and going small steps every day, it'll just make it happen. That's it. And yeah, so where does my group, my 1,000 crore group, and our group draws energy from? Yeah, it's like it is like a cumulative energy that has been drawn from all the obsession calls, way starting from Monday, Surya's technical talks, and Shivani's gratitude talks, and Nivesh USAP talks, and Chandan's top money talks. Like all that energy is evident in my calls. I just have to thank all the obsessive leaders we have. Also, like this crazy number 1,000 is becoming crazy day by day. Like see, this is how it is happening. Like we started 1,000 crore company, right? Like Prekasar has a goal to create to make Crest a thousand employee company. So it should have employees like ranging 1,000. And also Prekasar tells in such a way that ESL should not stop at 20 number, and it should keep on increasing, and this movement should replicate. And ESL should have at least 1,000 people అంటారు అనమాట సార్. So see 3,000, right? And also Shravan sir just told an idea a few days back, like taking a 1,000-acre land and creating our own city, Top City, where we all will be together, and our mentors will also be. See this number. It's making me crazy. And I'll have to like owe my thanks to my own KDC gang, like Crest Development Center interns, which I fondly call my KDC gang. So Nivedita, Supraja, Vivikta, Deepti, Apurva, Nishita, Rohit, Vidvija, they have just took it up. Like they took up a step to invest 10 to 15 hours weekly to work on the futuristic ideas that will create their own companies. Like they just saw the potential in it, and have been investing their time with their consistent efforts to bring out those wonderful reports every week. And all the obsession leaders, your call might be for 1 hour or 1.5 hours. My call will be for 4 hours. 3 hours with my KDC gang and 1 hour with my obsession. How lucky I am. Yes. And the way their energy is boosting me weekly is wonderful. Like it's just the things are opening in such a way that whatever we are doing is having a effect outside anamata. Suppose say we are discussing about creating the hydrogen energy. That energy has to be stored in batteries, and we have seen the batteries thing has come up with from Anup Mathurji. See how the things are interconnected. And also like from Ulhasi, there came up two projects. One is on cement industries, and one is on biotechnology. That will have huge funds and matter. Like I'm just happily blissful to witness all this within a month of joining. Without our team, without our energy, and without our mentors, it would not have been possible. And lastly, I want to like thank each and everyone, like by naming. Yes, Vivikta adds in more energy to my mind with her entrepreneurial obsession. She just thinks in out of the box about everything, and she asks like right questions at right time to like those are really thoughtful questions, and which makes me think, why didn't I think in this angle like that? And Deepthi and Vivikta, like they ask those right questions to keep me on track. So I should thank them. And also Shivani used to have some parallel calls or sessions. I don't know what are those, but she used to request me, Anna, can I join for 10 minutes, at least 10 minutes in the end? Look at the dedication. And also like as soon as she joins, the energy adds up. So thank you, Shivani, for making your time. And Triveni, her recent idea just gave me very new thoughts, and from her schedule, like thinking about this and ideating about that idea. That's awesome. Thank you, Triveni. And Rohit has been we know Rohit as an obsessive entrepreneur, right? He has been obsessed about the Indian entrepreneurship, and that energy and those videos have really added a great value of great amount of energy to my mindset. And Apurva, she has been supporting in every network issue, in every screen sharing issue that I got. Thank you, Apurva. And then Nikhil. It's something special. Like the moment Nikhil joined the group, 1000 crore company group, I just got happier from inside. Like friends will be there, but who will come up with us in our bigger dreams? Like it's another level of friendship, right? I just experienced that moment when Nikhil joined the group, and how he has been adding energy through the videos. And then Surya is the silent energy booster. Like he just adds the energy with his presence in the call, and with his patient listening. And also, like, this card from Surya made a made a big difference in my confidence. It just swept away all those what we can say, like, misconceptions or less confident things untai kada. That just one congratulations card from Surya for taking this up. Thank you, Surya. And Nivedita. Whenever I feel low, she just adds up the energy. Like and also like Nivedita, Supraja, and Pranit just keeps on asking me, like, when will the Saturday come? When we can see you? When we can have your obsession? That really adds a lot of energy for me. And also, I want to thank, like, Asha, Madhu, Vijay, Geeta ma'am, Chandan, Danush, Hafsa, Nishita, Pranit, and Pranita, Rishikesh, Sindhuja, Tejasri, Sirisha, Tarun, and all the team for becoming part of this journey, and for boarding the 1000 crore bus. Let us have fun together creating this company. Thank you so much, and all are welcome to join my obsession calls on Saturday from 7 to 8 p.m. Thank you.
ప్రమోటింగ్ కూడా
అదే లాస్ట్ లో చెప్పాను, అందుకే గుర్తుందటండి.
సేల్స్ అండ్ మార్కెటింగ్ రిమెంబర్
అదే ఎంత బాగా నాకు మాట కూడా రావట్లేదు. ఎంత బాగా మాట్లాడారని ఆ క్లారిటీ బై హౌ. ఇంకా వెన్ ఒకటే మిగిలింది కదా.
when is already fixed.
By 30.
No. I'm sure we can make it in 5 years. Coming 5 years.
Every day we are making.
Yes. Like when we are just ideating, like Prakash sir just told this, like within 7 years, like 2500 days, we should make this happen. So at most 2500 days, 2000 days is the optimum.
Okay.
And now let's listen to our Dhanush Anna about Cope University. Over to you, Dhanush Anna.
Over to you, Dhanush.
Yeah, thank you so much. Am I clearly audible? Yeah. Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you so much, Madhu. Yeah. Just you have all experienced right now, right? The thing everyone from started from Surya Anna and ended with Vinay Anna. Yes, they have carried in a phenomenal way, and yes, these are the I thought. I mean, these everything is an obsession, like stimulating, and everything is when you see they all have the mindset of learning. Learning is the greatest mindset. They are learning from everyone and everything, and every situation they have come with, and that is the learning mindset is the greatest thing, and that encounters, I mean, that creates a new energy or new essence to adding the value to this universe. So that's why Top University, universe it is. University itself has the word universe. Then why all we have made universe restricted to a place or an institution or any other? University, it means the universe it is. is not just an institution or a place, it's the mindset. So that is the greatest mindset we have seen and we have been experienced with our great values. And the things like simulation or gratitude and uncommon accomplishments of common people as being an author and many other things. Yes, these values have been adding value to this universe in a great way. And yeah, everything is going in a like they are adding, everyone are learning in their own way, and they are adding value to this universe too. So if we have so we they have already spoken that every value that the value system and universe have the university has most lacking in the skills of the value systems. So that's our value system, and we are making the difference. And Vinyan said in the great way, we can also build, and we will be making it prove within the next year, next 7 years or something. And our value systems, by using the same value system, we can also make money, where everyone is lacking these values, and they are losing the fun or happy in making these things. So everything is letting others have this mindset. So top university will enrich this mindset in everyone, and everyone and every other thing, and that who have come across it. So these values are yeah, these are very important. And yeah, world has been developing. What is the real development? Real development is the sustainability. If the development has been done, the progress should be sustainable for every being in this universe. So that is how we are thinking. We are thinking that how our values add sustainability to this world and in everyone's life. Sustainability is not just of a nature or any other thing. It is the gratitude we express or the beauty we see, and it's the appreciation we do in everything. So when we have gratitude, or when we have the learning mindset, and I mean when we love doing the things, we automatically do the things. And when we do the things, we will start thinking. When we start thinking, we start questioning. And when we start questioning, then we will make the disruptive. And this how everything works. It is maybe technically or in a way. So when we start loving at the things, and when we have gratitude for what we have, then we will be starting. It's maybe innovation or invention, or it may be disruption, whatever it might be. So how this values will add sustainability to the new future. So we have experienced, I mean, we have been seeing the Agenda 2030 United Nations organizations, they have created. United Nations have been created the sustainable development goals for entire this world, where the major complications that world is lacking. So our value system exactly suits the sustainable development goals, and that makes sustainability in everyone's life. So that we see the beauty in our nature or in everything we do, and that we always think for the betterment of other people. As Shivani Akka said, our values, this is a value based university, and we are not working for ourselves, and we are working for the universe, and we are working for the nature, and we are working for the others. When we work for the others, and money or anything will be merely a byproduct. And yeah, there are many inspirations. I mean, instead of saying inspiration, I would love to say the word learning, because if we can think only inspire, yes, we can maybe restrict to one another place. But if we can if we can add the word learning, in my point of view, we can explain it to in any other form. Yeah, and the learning is a mindset. Yeah, and in this, what everyone as the universities we have thought only, still now the university has set up to do an undergraduation or a PhD course or whatever it might be. But in the top university, everyone is a student and everyone is a teacher. So that's how there is um, no matter of questioning you are wrong or you are right, because it is the value system we have created, and there will be accessing the resources that are freely available. and completely this education we are not we are not sure that we are going to make the complete change, but we will be part of the change. How these values are important to everyone's life and how they can create the disruption. And these values add how as Chandan very beautifully expressed, how these values add to make money, and how this value are to make 1,000 crore company, and how this value are to learn in a great with a great mindset and infinite mindset. So that is the things. uh, yeah, this top university is just a mindset, not just an institution or building, and it works for the sustainability of this universe. And that is the disruption we will make and explore. And coming to the learning, the greatest learning is my team. A team, talented, energetic, astonishing mindsets. Yes, a team. Without the team, I believe there is nothing possible, because yeah, everyone. See, we have seen this world. There's only individual ideas made how that Elon Musk or someone else, how those ideas make the world's richest person. But there is always a great team behind him, and the team. If the team all have the same mindset, and if they are telepathic in the same way in everyone's thinking, and yeah, universe is the limit for itself, and there will be no limit for any other thing. And yeah, everyone, as we said, everyone will be a teacher and everyone will be student, and every top obsession call is something about learning, and they are teaching in a great way. And those top obsessions, like creating 1,000 crore company adds the business administration values, and money talks adds the money management skills and economics, and gratitude adds the human lives, and simulation adds the technical skills and many more, to see our universe in another way. And this is how we will be making universe is not just an institution or building, it's a mindset, how we think. Yeah, I thank Shravan sir mainly to be uh, uh, he encouraged me to, and we will be making with the value have with the availability, I mean with the help of our mentors which are highly accomplished in their respective fields. And many of us already said that how they will be yeah, they will be they are already accomplished in every other field, and every how how it will be going in a way in the every technical skill or any other thing. So, and I thank Shravan sir for encouraging me to be part of my. So obsession is what Madhu has earlier defined. It is making everyone to wake up and to create a thought for all. So, and thank you. I would also like to thank Mahindra sir for the great word he added. Top University, universe it is, where I realized the importance of the word the universe. The uh, universe itself is the limit for all, and he works on a greater goal, the sustainability and inspiring this world in the basic need of this world, a food. And thank you so much, Mahinder sir. And I would also, always keep learning from everything and everyone. And yeah, these value, gratitude and many appreciation and many other values added a great boost in my life, and made my things very, very, very easier and faster. And it made the life to see in a beautiful way where we all lagging. So I would also thank Vinay Anna, Surya Anna, Nikhil Anna, Madhu, and my juniors, and any other who are part of this association. And yeah, as Vinay said, I will be always to be part of this subsession, Top University, and Top University will be continuous on every Monday, 7 to 8 p.m. And thank you so much, everyone, for yeah. Without team, there is no possibility of this. The real understanding of the meaning team with all same mindset can make infinite a finite thing, and always goal, and always choose a goal for always infinite only. If they choose infinite, yeah, they will always make it finite, and there is no end for the infinite. Thank you so much.
వావ్, సపరేట్ టాక్ అయింది. ధనుష్ ఒక్క 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 సెకండ్ కూడా పాస్ తీసుకోలేదు తెలుసా నువ్వు?
అసలు
స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇట్లా పెట్టుకొని ఇట్లా పద్యం చదివినట్టే చదివా తెలుసా?
Yeah, actually, I should thank power today because there is no power in my home. So I came with my mobile to experience this wonderful fest in the pleasant morning, and yeah, I am experiencing this surroundings also.
ये
And
मैं
I should
हूँ,
thank power.
पार्टी हो रही
Yeah,
I was about to say Shivani Akka.
ये मेरा फील्ड है.
ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरा पोलम है, ये
Actually, when the power goes, we usually scold at it. But Shivani Akka made my day. I mean, not only this day, she cultivated a value that be thankful for everything you have. So I should thank power. So it made me realize the importance of this great and green pleasant weather here. Thank you, Shivani Akka.
అండ్ అండ్ ఇంకా ఏం చెప్దాం అనుకున్నా అంటే, ధనుష్ తోప్ యూనివర్సిటీ చేస్తున్నాడు కదా, ఎవ్రీ అబ్సెషన్ ఒక కరికులం సబ్జెక్ట్ లా చూస్తున్నాడు చూడు. ఇక్కడ ఎకానమీ వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ బిజినెస్ అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ వచ్చింది. ఏంటి కరికులం ఫ్రేమ్ చేసేద్దామని.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అన్నయ్యలు, అక్కయ్యలు అండ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ టు శ్రావణ్ సార్. నేను అంటే మీతో ఇది ఎందుకు మాట్లాడాలనుకుంటున్నాను ఈరోజు స్పెషల్గా అంటే, టుడే ఐఎమ్ గెటింగ్ ల్యాప్టాప్. సో
Congratulations.
Hey, congratulations.
థ్యాంక్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. అంటే ఈ టీంలో జాయిన్ అవ్వడం వల్ల నాకు ఇచ్చింది కాబట్టి, సో నేను మీకు అందరికీ అందుకే నేను ఈరోజు స్పెషల్గా జాయిన్ అవ్వాలి కంపల్సరీ అనేసి నేను జాయిన్ అయ్యాను కూడా. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీ అందరి సపోర్ట్ వల్లే నేను అంటే ఇప్పుడు అది తెచ్చుకుంటున్నాను. నా మనస్ఫూర్తిగా చెప్తున్నాను, మీకు అందరికీ చాలా కృతజ్ఞురాలనై ఉంటాను ఎప్పటికీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ శ్రావణ్ సార్ స్పెషల్లీ. అంటే మీరు ఈ యొక్క టీంని ఇలా ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడం వల్ల అంటే మీ అంటే మీరు చేస్తున్న హెల్ప్ చిన్నదేం కాదు, చాలా పెద్దది. ఎందుకంటే యూత్ని మీరు ఎంకరేజ్ చేయడం వల్ల ఇండియా బాగుంటుందనే ఆలోచన మీకు వచ్చింది కాబట్టే మీరు ఇలా చేశారు. సో ఐ ఫీల్ వెరీ ప్రౌడ్ టు బీ ఎ స్టూడెంట్ ఆఫ్ యూ సార్. అంటే డైరెక్ట్గా మీకు స్టూడెంట్ కాకపోయినా ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్తున్న లెసన్స్ లాగా మేము వింటున్నాం కాబట్టి ఐ ఫీల్ సో థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ టీమ్.
Presenting you. Our book.
జూమ్ ఇన్ జూమ్ ఇన్.
పాటలు వేసుకోమా అపూర్వ, దీప్తి, రోహిత్ అన్న. ఏంటి రోహిత్ అన్న ఎక్కడున్నారు?
రోహిత్ అన్న ఎక్కడున్న స్టేజ్ మీదకి రావాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
వేదిక అలంకరించిన పెద్దలకి
ఎంత బాగుంది వాల్ పేపర్ అయితే అద్దురు అసలు. ల్యాప్టాప్ అద్దురు.
బుక్ పేజ్ కవర్ పేజ్ అక్క.
అదే కవర్ పేజ్ నే చూస్తున్నా, అది బాగుందని అంటున్నా. క్రియేటివిటీ ఏంటి అసలు? ఏంటి ఆ క్రియేటివిటీ ఏంటి? ఆ ల్యాప్టాప్ ఏంటి?
Presenting you Thok mentors. So I would like you to listen for next 5 minutes and then comment. We are running out of time. Thank you very much for giving this opportunity. ఇక్కడ చేస్తున్నారు. We have full, so start with a 5 minute. So what is the ultimate aim of life? If I ask you, what would be your answer? Just for 1 minute, let's have in the exercise. Almost it's 1.5 hours, but yes, you need to answer. So what is the ultimate aim of life? If I ask, what would be your answer? Just 1 minute. It's 10:39, 10:40.
Go ahead, Rohit. No problem.
Yeah. So yeah, I think you have answers in you, but no problem for you have answers. And we say ultimate aim of life is self-realization. I say, and we say So when you start realizing things around you, when you start realizing yourself, when you start realizing about your loved ones and your things become getting changer over time. So we realize that mentors play a major role in one's life. So mentor's guidance and potential they give to you is very like it's an invaluable thing that one can get in life. So we realized the essence of mentorship in life and came forward with the support from all of you to have a book on life journeys of our top mentors and top mentorship. And we are presenting you the top mentorship and the journey of top mentorship. And there is a long story behind this because it's a 5 long months story and time we have spent on this, and we'll get you to know. And we have 2 parts now. So Deepthi, you can go ahead with how this cover page and all took place and what, why, when, the powerful circle you can follow and tell about this cover page. And
Okay, Anna. Okay, coming to the power page. At beginning, we did not had any idea of our title or cover page or anything. As we are working on that, we just got an idea that yeah, mentorship is not alien to us, right? It has been started long back. So why can't we include that meaning to our book? So it all started there. We thought of drawing page and all. We did not had of laptop, but Apurva came with an idea saying, ఇప్పుడు మనం అందరం ల్యాప్టాప్స్ లోనే ఏమంటారు మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కదా, లైక్ డిజిటల్ లుక్ ఇస్తే ఎలా ఉంటది అన్నట్టు. సో అక్కడ నుంచి ఐడియా ఎవాల్వ్ అయ్యింది అండ్ లైక్ యా ఎవాల్వ్ అవుతూ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది అది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆర్
Top Mentors, the incredible journey. 5 months, 8 mentors, and a team of 3. It was a blissful experience. Mentorship ఒక ఎత్తైతే top mentorship is something another level that has been started in our recent. And when we came across each and every like journey, life story of each and every mentor, అది చదివినప్పుడల్లా, అది గుర్తు చేసుకున్నప్పుడల్లా గూస్ బంప్స్ వస్తాయి. ఐ మీన్ it's their it's not their it's just not their life, but something అంటే it is something that we cannot compare with any person. ఒక్కొక్క పర్సన్ది ఒక్కొక్క motivational story. They have many points where we can get inspired from. And the thing like ఇది మొన్న సబ్మిట్ చేసినప్పుడు, మొన్న యువాకి సబ్మిట్ చేసినప్పుడు కూడా ఆ అన్సంగ్ హీరోస్ దానికి ఐ మీన్ దిస్ ఆల్సో వెంట్ అండర్ దట్ ఓన్లీ. అది అంటే అది చదివినప్పుడు అలా ఆ అన్సంగ్ హీరోస్ అనేది ఇట్ ఈస్ సో యాప్ట్ టు అవర్ మెంటర్స్ దట్ surely I can say each and every person can get inspired from each and every story and can experience the same bliss we had interviewing them. And one more point I want to add for this Top Mentors book ఏంటంటే అంటే ఫర్ దిస్ ఒక చిన్న రీసెర్చ్ చేసాం ఫర్ ఆల్ ద అంటే మెంటర్షిప్ గురించి, వేదిక్ మెంటర్షిప్ గురించి. అండ్ మన mentorship is very similar to all of those. It's just అంటే ఇప్పుడు and one more thing is like ఒక్కొక్క mentor mentee relationship is different. It is different in its own way. I don't know how Shravansa figured it out, but it's completely apt. ఆ person ని ఇలా సెట్ చేసేసారు. అండ్ ఆ జర్నీ అంటే వాళ్ళు మేము అడిగినప్పుడు హౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ అని మెంటర్ మెంటీకి అడిగినప్పుడు ద లైట్ వీ కెన్ సీ ఇన్ దేర్ ఐస్, ద స్పార్క్, అసలు ఇట్స్ వర్త్ ఐ మీన్ ఇట్స్ ప్రీషియస్, ఇట్స్ ఇన్వాల్యుబుల్. అండ్ యా రోహిత్ అన్న, you want to continue?
Yes, as Apurva said, we have done some research on mentorship that actually tallied with what we have doing now. And in that process, we have collected four wonderful examples for you to look at and read. So those are interesting examples, and it all started with mythology from history. So mentorship is not new or not alien thing, as Dipti mentioned. So it's from the history. We took example from the history and modern world and future world as well. So future we also cover future things. And just to tell you one example, so just think of Kurukshetra battlefield. So Krishna and Arjun both were there. Krishna was in ethical dilemma whether to fight or not, to initiate the battle between Kurukshetra on the battlefield of Kurukshetra between their loved one, because the entire opposition team is his well-wishers, so the well-wishers and all. So he's in a dilemma. So what is there to him to think of what should do, like what is the next step to look at? Arjun was entire in a dilemma or ethical dilemma for that matter, because both are right things. If we do the war, if we continue the battle, it's a right one, and if we quit and if you think in the other way, because all the opposition team are my family members, my well-wishers, even though they are doing harm, but they are well-wishers of me. So those are both right things were at place. So it was an ethical dilemma for Arjun to what to choose and what not to choose. So then Krishna came in and he became mentor for Arjun at that moment of at that point of time, and he guides Arjun and he tells Arjun the way he's way too powerful than what he's thinking, and motivates him to tell the truth and realize the truth, what is actually going to happen if you continue this battle and all. So again, mentorship played a role from the history, and at that point it's not only a static one, it's a dynamic process. Mentorship is a dynamic process. So it starts, it never ends. So it's a dynamic process, and we have taken, so if you see the example, so mentorship allowed us to read one of the greatest epics of Indian culture and Indian wisdom, so Indian Vedic. So mentorship played a role again there. Mentorship is the one that drive to have one more epic called Gita or Mahabharata. So that's where the mentorship came into the picture, and we can see the beauty of that through our Top mentorship, and we can relate all of those to Top mentorship, the values and all. So we have a lot more things to tell. So for now, we have taken one example, and also if you realize again, so ultimate aim of life realization. So if you realize APJ Abdul Kalam, one of our missile man of India, we see Abdul Kalam mentoring most of the people, most of our age people and our teachers and all, but we never witnessed, or we witnessed to some extent that Abdul Kalam was also mentored by someone. So he was mentored by Vikram Sarabhai and other mentors. Even Abdul Kalam was filled with mentors. So life is filled with mentors. So Abdul Kalam was also filled with his mentors, and the reason he is at that point or at that position because of his mentors and his work. So mentorship also added value to his life and our lives. So followed by other examples.
As Rohit mentioned, it is not only in the mythology, but we see examples in our real life, like APJ Abdul Kalam, and we always talk about this, right? Virat Kohli. Every time Shravan sir says us this about Virat Kohli, and also Vivekananda. They are great people. Like we all take them as our inspiration, but we should also see that the great people are also having their own mentors who they took guidance from them. So we just want to give the touch of them also, because we don't believe that not believing, but we never knew that they also have mentored and all. So we just want to give that touch also, and there are examples. Yeah, go ahead with when you are reading the book.
Yes, like Deepti said, all great people have got mentored some or other way. Ante it's not like a complete process. They are not allotted with mentor or something. But just imagine a single వాళ్ళకి ఒక point of time లో the support or the thought that they can do it అని చెప్పినప్పుడు they can, I mean, that word support, that support they have received made them out of box. They created some extraordinary personalities అన్నప్పుడు how fortunate we are to get a mentor and to get interact on a consistent basis and get that invaluable support. It might be just a conversation, but a conversation can make a lot of difference. Can change the whole life. And just uh, this is our the token of gratitude to all the mentors, all the extraordinary mentors from our top family.
Yeah, so we have 8 mentors we have interviewed, and surprisingly we have divided it into 2 parts. So we have now 2 parts, and it's just an announcement. Top mentors, it's just a beginning. So we'll go with another talk. So no issues. And yeah, we have mentors, 4 mentors in one part and other 4 mentors in another part. So we are releasing it today, announcing this today, and it's a great learning process, great learning. So all your obsessions can be seen in this book. You can witness the essence of all obsessions, the core values on which we are working. So it can be clearly seen in mentorship, and through our book we want to spread this mentorship to the world and make world to realize everyone needs a mentor. And it's not that only some people have mentors. Everyone has mentors, but the only thing is if you start realizing that he's a mentor, because right from the start of your childhood you are guided by many people. You are not by your own, you are by mentors, and you are by many people. So they are the reason for your existence, and you are the reason for your existence. So it's all again mentors, and mentorship plays a big role, a magnificent role in human lives. Not only engineers or doctors, everyone plays a major role. A mentor plays a major role. So you can witness the essence of mentorship through this. We guarantee you, and it's an interesting journey. It's an interesting book with a graceful of words and a number of words. Not we have around 10k plus words, about 23 pages of book, and with preface and all. So you can witness all these things. It's just a beginning. We have more to tell, more to make you to listen, more to experience, and more to live. So this is what we decided to present you.
Shall I present the book, Amma?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, here goes our book.
Rohit, I think your music should suit like your
Telepathic akka.
your ringtone. అది మూవ్ చేసేటప్పుడు నీ రింగ్ టోన్ పెడితే మస్తు ఉంటుంది.
Okay. Yeah, start from the first. 1 minute.
ఫోన్ చేయనా?
రైతుని కాల్ చేయమా? Wait, I will call.
ఫోన్ చేయనా? యా, యూ కెన్
కాల్ చేస్తే కట్ అయిపోతావు నువ్వు.
యా, కంటిన్యూ దీప్తి. సో ఇట్స్ ప్రీఫేస్, mentorship. Continue.
Wow.
So we have taken great examples for you to look at. Top mentorship, it's top. Our man for the future. Man for the future.
చాలా బాగుంది.
పోయింది మ్యూజిక్.
కాదు, ఫోటోషూట్ చేశారా సార్కి బుక్ కోసము?
So our beloved Meena ma'am, an experience. Our beloved Meena ma'am, loving and caring person. So with number of questions and answers, with emotions, emotional well-being. Our Prakash sir, dynamic Prakash sir, powerful he is. So a conversation went powerfully. So it's emotional again, emotional journey of Prakash sir. And our Sirisha ma'am, our again great learning experience. Shirisha ma'am, and we had a pleasure to listen to Shirisha ma'am's song and singing. So great opportunity we got, and beautiful comments
ఎంత
by
బాగా
our top
పాడినారు
mentees and our top journey
Wow.
in a nutshell.
Wow, your
So,
hairstyle changed.
సూపర్. అదేంటి వెనకాల ఎర్తా యూ కవర్డ్. వావ్.
Very nice.
And
Beautiful.
it's just a beginning. Top mentors, it's just a beginning. We have one more to show you. The story continues.
We will have a
It's
top talk
just
then.
yeah.
Hey, hello.
2 times top talk.
Rihanna said.
Can I talk for 1 minute?
Yes, yes, sir.
Sure, sir.
Oh, I just stepped
We're
away
waiting.
from the party into a separate room, and I'm talking from there, so I have to go back there. Hey, Apurva, Rohit, and Deepthi, congratulations on the book. It is really well written, and for me, the best chapters are the first 3 chapters. I really want you to go and read those first 3 chapters. You will love them. They really captured the power of the mentors. And and the cover page, I love it. And also I saw the manuscript for the submission. That was really well done. There was few things I didn't like, but that's okay. Apart from I just was like little overwhelmed with a few sentences, but that's good. So great job overall, and all the top obsessions I was hearing a little bit and not hearing. I'll listen to the I'll watch the video later. So thank you. Thank you very much. I am for all the things you are accomplishing, and now you are also understanding why I feel so happy when you guys do it. Shivani was saying, I wanted to be important. Now I want to give importance to other people. So you guys are seeing, but you guys are seeing at such a young age. I saw it at a later age. So I'm a little jealous of you that you are able to see all these things at such a young age. I better go. Hey, thank you very much. My wife is calling from the other side. I better go. Thank you very much. Great job, everyone. Bye. I'm going to take, leave now.
Thank you,
Such
sir.
Thank you,
such a powerful one.
అన్న బీజిఎం పెట్టండి మళ్ళీ.
1 minute లో ఇలా వచ్చి ఇలా చెప్పి వెళ్ళిపోయారు కదా, భలేగా కవర్డ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్. వావ్.
So it's a beginning. It's just a beginning.
Just a beginning.
Please note this point. It's just a beginning. Top mentors is just. I would like you to read and experience.
We'll say the words.
Yeah, yes. Thank you.
ఓకే అపూర్వ, తోప్ స్పీకర్ అవ్వాలి కదా నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు. సరే డన్. 2 times ఇవ్వాలి నువ్వు మరి మాకు తోప్ టాక్. డన్.
I was also thinking like this, that poster has to be kept in this like stock or Bitcoin like that. It will rise a lot.
So it's a work of our painter Deepthi and artist Deepthi. So thank you, Deepthi.
Thank you so much, top obsession speakers. This was really an amazing session. You all are taking us into another world and taking us to find ourselves. Thank you for making us part of your obsession. Guys, top gratitude.
Finding ourselves, that's the only thing we are supposed to do. Yeah. Super. Thank you.